Hey, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you step by step the easiest and fastest way to buy Arbitrum ARB token. Okay, so it just launched and right now it's available on Binance. So Binance is the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. I've been using it over for 3 years and it's literally the best. The fees are the lowest and it just works. Okay, so when you go to the link in description, you can find Binance link, and when you sign up using that link you will get massive amounts of free bonuses. Okay, you can't get those bonuses elsewhere, so sign up on Binance using that specific link in description and claim your bonuses. And after you have signed up, this is literally the first page that you will see. Now when you go to trade and spot trading, when you go to search here and type in ARB, you can find that it has multiple pairs. So you can see that it's BTC, TUSD, USDT, and Euro and other ones. So what we're going to do is this video is we are going to first buy USDT with our credit card, and then we are going to trade that USDT into ARB tokens. So this is very simple to do, and the first step is literally to go to buy crypto and click credit and debit card. You can also use other methods here, but this is by far credit and debit card is the fastest one, and the fees are super low. Okay, so you simply come here and it automatically detects your country where you're using Binance, so it will automatically select the right currency for you, and then you simply come here or click this icon here and type in USDT, right? So then you type click the USDT and then just simply select how much you want to buy, right? And then you just buy it like you would buy anything online. You just literally just buy it, and after you have done the purchase, it takes like 1 minute or so. The USDT will instantly show up in your wallet. So you simply come here, click wallet and click find and spot, and here you can see always this is like your crypto wallet here in Binance. Now the USDT that you just bought will instantly show up here in your find and spot wallet like this, exactly like this. Okay, so now when you have the USDT, you simply come to trade. Okay, you click spot here, then you click search again and type in ARB, right? And then you click USDT. Okay, and here you can literally just trade your USDT to ARB. So you come here, click market, so you buy it with market price, which means like the best price right now, and then you just select how much you want to buy. Simply slide this thing here to select how much you want to buy, or just type in how much you want to buy, right? After you have selected how much you want to buy, simply click buy ARB, and then it will execute the trade for you, and then the Arbitrum tokens will instantly show up here in your find and spot wallet. Okay, here. Now if you want to sell the tokens at some point, you can come to this exactly the same page, but click the market, but instead of buying, you can sell the tokens here. Okay, so if you have any questions, comment down below, and check out the link in description to sign up on Binance to secure those massive bonuses. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos, and peace out.